Hello, it's Darren again at American Windshield Repair Systems. Today we're going to show you the simple process of drilling a hole in a windshield. It's something that can be a little bit scary for people when they first start doing it. But once you get the hang of it, it's not very difficult. Let's begin. So the first thing we do is hopefully get our camera in focus. There. So you always want to drill where the rock hit. Now, a bullseye or a bullseye with a star break in it, we call that a combination bullseye star break, does not need to be drilled. And that's because the bullseye has plenty of avenue for resin to flow in it. And when you drill, what you're doing is creating an avenue for resin to flow. If you see this crack here, if this were a crack, we would want to drill a hole where the rock hit into the crack, and that creates an avenue for resin to flow outward through the crack. So what we're going to show you today is just how to drill. It's very simple. Now this is our smaller drill, which you can purchase by calling us at 1-888-860-1518, or soon it will be available on our website. We do have another drill on our website. Actually, we have a few, so you can check that out at windshieldrepairkits.com. But we'll just pretend this is where you're drilling. We'll pretend there's a star break here or a small crack. So you always start at a slight angle, and once it starts drilling, then you can start standing it up. I'm going to turn up the speed just a little bit here. Let's see how we do that. Now you want to see powder. If you don't see any powder, you're not cutting. I might be going a little too fast, so I'm going to slow it down to where I see that powder. Now I know I'm cutting. As you can see that powder building up, you can tell that I'm actually cutting the glass. Now, if you go all the way into the lamination, that's okay, but it's preferable to just drill about 3/4 through that first layer of glass rather than going into the lamination. So I'm just going to keep going till I hit the lamination so you can see what it sounds like. Typically, I'd probably stop about now, and that would be deep enough for a star break or a small crack, which is what you use for drilling. You drill star breaks and small cracks. Okay, a little more pressure, and I'm putting just a little bit of pressure, letting the drill do most of the work, the drill bit. You can sometimes let up a little, let the drill bit cool. And if you let the drill bit cool, now when you come back down, it's going to cut better. There, we finally broke through that first layer of glass, and it actually stopped the drill bit. A lot of times what you'll hear though is the drill bit just speed up, and then you know you've gone through the first layer of glass. But when you go through the first layer of glass, it creates a slight halo. You can actually see that halo Right there is a slight halo from when the drill finally breaks through into that lamination. So we like to drill till we're almost to the lamination and then stop. And that does take some practice, and the more you do it, the better you will get at it. Anyway, once again, we're windshieldrepairkits.com. We've been selling windshield repair kits since 2020 and in business since 1992 in the auto glass industry. Give us a call or check us out on our website. Thank you.